In this lesson, we will be learning about adding pleats, darts, and diamond darts to a garment. Let's add 2 pleats to the skirt. Before adding a pleat, it is good practice to add notches to mark the position of the pleat. To add pleats to a garment, we start by clicking Insert, and then in the drop-down, we click on Pleats, Darts. In the 2D window, we click the edge we want to add the pleat to. The default pleat is displayed, extending across the piece perpendicular to the edge clicked. The pleat is displayed with the following. The blue dot marks where the fold line is. The circle with a plus sign marks the depth of the pleat inside the edge. The orange diamond marks the width of the pleat. To adjust the pleat, we use the Select tool, ensuring the Edit Points is enabled. In the 2D window, we can drag the blue dots to move the pleat fold, drag the orange diamond to widen or narrow the pleat, drag the circle with the plus sign to reposition the pleat. We can view the pleat effect in the 3D window. We'll click Dress to simulate the pleat and then finish the simulation once the pleat is nicely folded. If we don't want the pleat to extend the full length, we can drag the circle with the plus sign to the depth we want. We have adjusted the pleat width, depth, and position in the 2D window. We can also make precise adjustments by selecting the pleat with the Select tool and editing the values in the context view. Position indicates the distance of the pleat from the corner points to the orange diamond. Depth is a measurement of the dotted line of the pleat. And width is a measurement between the orange diamonds. The draping options gives us the capability of deciding if we want the pleat stitched and for how much. A tennis skirt is an example where we would use the stitched pleat option. We can also adjust the fold direction. We can see the direction of the pleat fold in the 2D window. The thicker line of the pleat will fold above the thinner line. When we flip fold direction, the thick line will flip to the other side. We can dress the garment to see the change. To create a box pleat, we would simply add 2 pleats. When stitching an edge with a pleat or a dart, the stitching adjusts automatically to include the dart. There is no need for manual adjustment. It would thus not be necessary to exclude the dart section here. Next, let's add darts to the neckline. There are 2 methods to add darts. We can use the Insert Pleats Darts tool, or we can cut out the dart and manually stitch it. Adding a dart using the insert is the same as adding a pleat. We'll repeat the same step. Once we have our dart position, width, and depth in place, we select the dart and make it fully stitched. This automatically stitches the dart. We can see the dart in the simulation of the 3D window. Diamond darts can also be added using the Insert tool. Let's add a dart on the back of the dress. We click the Insert tool, click the drop-down bar on the horizontal contextual menu, and then click Diamond Dart. In the 2D window, we drag inside the piece where we want the dart to be. A diamond dart is displayed. We can drag the blue dot to move the top or bottom of the dart. We can drag the orange diamond to widen or narrow the dart. For precise adjustments, we select the dart, then go to the context view. We can edit any of the displayed values as required. We can see the diamond dart effect in the simulation in 3D. In this video, we have learned how to add pleats, darts, and diamond darts to our garment to create a better fitting garment. For more information, visit support.browseware.com.